If you are concerned about the future of TikTok and you want to download your videos to share to other platforms, you'll notice the video resolution is quite low. This video was recently downloaded from TikTok, and the resolution is lower than 720p. Luckily, you can use a free app called UpRes to upscale the video to 4K. Select Upscale Video and import your video. UpRes supports up to 1-minute videos. Trim as needed. Select your resolution. Please note, processing time will vary. Save your video. Now your video is in 4K. Download the UpRes app now. It's free, and no subscription is required.